Hello everyone, if you are living in Saudi Arabia and you want to renew your vehicle insurance and you are searching which one is better for you, let's get started. How you will search? You need to go your Google Chrome and click there. Here in Google Chrome in address bar you need to type TAMEENI.com. Once you will click Tameeni.com, then you need to click go ahead, then it will come in Arabic. So what you have to do, you have to click here on three dots, then ENG. Your page will be converted into English language. Then here you have to fill the details. First of all, you need to residence number. After that, you need to fill from which date you want to renew this policy. You need to add the date. For date, you need to click add date section and it will appear like that. And you need to select from which date you want. Then you have to fill this number there, which was showing in the left side. Then click on the buy now. And it will divert you another window. Here what you have to fill, you need to fill the sequence number, the serial number of your vehicle, which was mentioned on the istamara or vehicle registration copy. You can see there. And the purpose is, what was the purpose of vehicle use, you need to fill like private. After this, you need to check all this term and conditions. You need to check both term and condition, then click OK. So wait for quotation. Once quotation appear here, you need to scroll down, select which one is looks good for you. You need to select any one of them. For me, this one is suitable for me. I selected that one. Now you need to log in here in this website. Otherwise, if you are not registered, you have to register first yourself, then log in here. It will appear like this. Your insurance detail is here. Next step is you need to pay the money for this, how much you selected, the total amount. There are different options, Mada and Visa and SADAD. You can adopt anyone which is convenient for you. For me, I am going for Mada card, so I need to pay via Mada card. You need to select all of this and then pay now. It will appear like that. You need to fill here your bank detail or Visa card detail. So after filling in everything, you will be diverted like that. You need to wait. Once your bank will confirm your payment, it will appear like that. Now you have three options. You can print your card, and then you can also print your receipt. See, I printed my card here. It will come like that. You can quote this one. You can take a color print and keep in your vehicle. Or you can select email. They will send you an email also. You can keep that email with you. That's it for today. If you have any query regarding this, you just need to comments below. I will try to reply all of your comments. Thank you so much. See you in next video.